In this video, we'll show you how to install a Rointe towel rail using hidden brackets. This tutorial is suitable for the Neo, Elba Oval, Venetia Oval, and Orion models. For the installation, you'll only need 3 tools: a drill, a screwdriver, and a pencil. Inside the box, you'll find the installation kit. This includes 4 brackets, screws and wall plugs, a cardboard template, and the user manual. To start, place the template on the wall exactly where you want to install the towel rail. Remember to observe the safety distances. This product can be installed in zones 2 and 3 of a bathroom, provided the control panel is at least 600 millimeters away from any wet zones. To find the ideal height, the bottom mark on the template indicates where the control panel will sit. Depending on the wattage of your model, we recommend specific distances from the floor. Next, use your pencil to mark the holes where the brackets will go. Make sure to only mark the holes that correspond to your specific model. This video features the Neo towel rail, but please note that the spacing and distance between brackets may vary for other models. Remove the template and drill the holes at the points you've just marked. Insert the wall plugs into the wall and secure the bases of the top and bottom guides using the screws provided in the kit. Next, screw the 4 brackets onto the towel rail. Make sure the top brackets have their holes facing upwards, and the bottom brackets have their holes facing downwards. Finally, slot the towel rail into the wall guides and secure it in place using the grub screws. Repeat this step for all 4 brackets on the towel rail. All that's left to do is connect the unit to a power supply to complete the installation. You're all set. Your Rointe towel rail is now installed and ready to use.